I'm Lala. I started LaLa's Learning Lab to help my granddaughter, Nellie, learn how to read because she lives on the other side of the earth from me. I have a master's degree in education. I was a reading specialist for years. I taught kindergarten through third grade, and I am national board certified in early childhood. So this is what I love to do, and I just wanted to share it with Nellie. So I tried to make it really fun for her, and when my daughter and Nellie saw it, they wanted to share it with their friends. It's always going to be free. It's never going to be perfect, but the goal is to just help kids learn how to read. If you're interested in having your child start LaLa's Learning Lab to help them learn how to read, there are a few things that they need to know first. One would be most of the letter names and most of the letter sounds. If there's a few that they're not sure about or confused about, we can work with that, but as long as they know most of them, that would be desirable. And then the last thing would be if they know how to identify which letters are the vowels. So if they know that A, E, I, O, and U are the vowels, that would be great. I'm going to just go through the letter sounds so that if you're working with your child to help them learn the name of the sounds, that you help them learn correctly. Okay, here we go. A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. You will notice that I purposely am not putting on the sound at the end of the letter sounds, because if you were to teach your child that the T says t, then when they're sounding out a word like cat, they might go at. And then when they're trying to blend that together, they're going kata. So it's really important that you teach them the sounds that are, we call it clipped, when we're just saying the sound like this, w, instead of w for W. If you're interested in getting started, each week there will be a new set of materials for you to print and prepare for your child so that they can engage in the lessons. It shouldn't take you more than 5 minutes maybe to print it and then cut out a few of the little papers and get everything organized for them. And there's a certain set of materials in terms of markers, whiteboard, or something to use as a whiteboard that they'll need. Once you have the materials ready, your child should be able to spend about 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week, working with me on improving their reading skills. And I hope they have fun while they're doing it. Every 5 days, there's a new skill introduced. You can start on episode 1. The lessons are intended to be done from beginning to end. So I would love for you to join LaLa's Learning Lab. Bye.